just got the vehicle up on the stand. I went ahead and put my tarp up under there. As you can see, there's the factory exhaust. I did last night, went ahead and sprayed these two pieces right here because that is going to be what I'm bolting. And then I went ahead and sprayed the hangers just a little bit, and hopefully that'll make things a lot easier to come off. The only other issue I may run into here when removing is installation with fitment with the exhaust pipe. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and unbolt these two bolts, and then once those are unbolted, I'll have to get this off from the hangers. So it may be a little bit of a challenge, but I'm gonna cut when or if I finally get to it. Be right back. So as you guys can see, I got the big giant muffler out. It actually was easier than I expected. Now it's just a matter of putting the new ones on. Here we are, guys. Here's the new ones. Honestly, all you have to do is get these hangers into the factory exhaust hangers. I thought there was a gasket on the old one over there, but there isn't a gasket, or unless there is, and I'm just not realizing. But now all I have to do is install one side at a time. So without further ado, let's get into it. Got the axle backs installed, but I couldn't find a workaround on the fitment. This one's perfect, dude, but it's still not as good. Probably like 2 millimeters off from hitting, but they are on, and I do want to get a little sound test real quick. So